Famra Bedwam Jumadi so Uso Eshe Mpensenpensemu. Ebraso say yene penny quantre for no and the Minerals Commission and Yoko ano ebetri enkomo. Say a catch no muana yatri penny abani abete a form a good year true and one mamra asiye a wakana. The America said, but galamsins and some diamobuano any adi esi. Say a galamsi, say a legal mining, nine mining, quabany faso bit me at any. Na ye papa ama manfo o mine so enya so emfaso. Ora Martin AC, a chief executive officer at my Minerals Commission. Akra baby. You watch it?
Pa, my film so.
Yeah.
But an idea.
It has been here. For the past best month near Yadim Komo, Yadia share a mamraya a war ye mine em. A fe pesi a tinye a man for a yeno asi a ye. A former good day to a ye to know ye mame. And for so dear be pan a woman timem for and canka wonder what be a ya ye too soft mogudian and one my Ghana munina.
Open me darcy, I the Saga as Sansia Bio. Ebia mechemu mienu ye wode kwa ban ho emfa ne se ye ma lease na o sha se so too good na se diamond na bauxite na manganese ye fe bibi royalties nti ye no e ko aban ho sisi ye wo aban institution bi ye fe no MIF, Minerals Income Investment Fund. Omono ya mujisa scan into your royalties. Obi bia ya ma otumi ana krata se ko tu efem gude bia na so otu royalties. Final to chain. It's our corporate tax. Otu royalties you now ya work out with your workers ni sane mani nya o declare profit na 35% o dia ma aban enoko 35 enoko GRO. Apart from that, your tax in kitting maybe a property rate to assembly. Any the account. Of course, you might find out your money, say, your income tax. Just so me say, me your income tax. Me say, me director of finance or tea near the co. And those are the taxes. Apart from that, the government was 10%. Our large scale operation BMO. Into 10%, you know. We declare dividend and so my buying 10%. Nti we mo we di nya boma. So that is government side.
$1 billion for the entire year now.
The total receipts roughly by 1 billion. Total receipts with the royalties, with the corporate tax, withholding tax. Sabi omo ko ji loan crap na everything associated with any form of tax, you know, you didn't boma anything between $800 to $1 billion.
And I'm just saying, a free money, you know,
the whole year,
the whole year,
the whole year, compile data, no, the whole year, and we are government. A Jumano one Kasan, and we are friends, my support services. Mechi and we cry 3-4 times. Sikana buying as government. If you have a business, then a mine support service. One say companies, you list beer. My main starting me trying to for this area. One say be because also if I'm a good deal, no. Nyankasa mean too. But remember contract. And you have contract mining. Wow. And you see, who are open pit and not surface mining. Open the contract move be now on called drill, blast, load and haul. No, I haul it to the plant in a hour. I saw the magazine.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm running
contract mining.
Yes, contract mining, open pit.
Okay.
But the mining underground is a Chirano or Boasi dear. On say no scanoso technology ni underground very challenging you know and no crowd there over to media man foreign company but this Omaga ni partner JV by 30-40%. nti obuasi say no Ghana ni what do you call it Australian company Pinchira no su underground contract say brana be too mami as a minerals commission say na instead of say be fight ma for say we are for say cleaner besumi be tua e be ma social security there be ye be contract ya ma e bi IC cleaning services nti ono de nkofo be ba na e bi every morning be they come and clean here na besumi so na ye tua company nti ono na be tua workers no na your niema be 50 I go list no so. How did we come by the 50 no? Because ya hu say 50 items so a whole pa na mo say sika. Die no die once I hu say Ghana ni betumi ayepe untumi mfa ma broni ana obi onye Ghana ni yemfa no sa because Nigeria ni kwa betumi abe business wa. Now your niema be 50 or less no so. Contract mining alone Sikana omodima omoye contract mining is equivalent to everything your government in a year. Yes, out of 50 items. See, there's a lot of opportunities there. So we call Newmont, what do you call it? Subika, Ahafo, contract mining. Omodi Amagana ni company. We call Obuasi Omo, we call Chiran Omo, we call Drap Omo, we call Goldfields. Huge mine, Ghana ni Ekita contract, no. We call the amounts on Ghana ni. Wow, and yes, our catering services, opportunity. Catering, and ne, when you Ghana ni, you to me for catering services in Mao. Until almost all the mines, my contracts to caterers. Say 2 years old, say 3 years old, say 4 years, and we're in a company so. No the amount. Until one say obefa workers. Ghana for until call let's say wasa underground mine say Ghana need running catering services. 2018 say catering services about $26 million. For just about 13 or 14 mines.
Last scale.
Last scale. Wow, that is one. Also that's also another opportunity. Until finally say Cardinal say so construction. Next year a huge mine, a mine can see they even produce more than Obuasi. Omo catering services. Some way advert. And you are baby, you know, as a painter, be an my advert, be and I'm a talk computers by 100. I'll give a contract out. It's a catering service, Ghana afford it. That is it. Another area which is an opportunity for before 2018. Na free for all. Intina Total, Engine, Vivo, foreign company. Muguha, Amoton for a mine. Petrol, Edigu. If you dear mom with your mines, this Okofa foreign company. Band saying, yes, it's some rano. Before that, bear almost $100 million. 2021 report, that is 2 years ago, the amount of money companies spend here, I think just about 13 or 14 companies on fuel alone is $304 million. So within 2 years, you are jumping from roughly 100 to $304 million.
That's over 200%.
Yes, it is kind of
so, and now you can say, fuel stations that supply mining site in fuel a Ghanaian owned company.
Total, Engine, Vivo, you free ho.
Just as a go money, JP or more
yes,
on the supply.
And private companies. I said direct and shareholders near 100% Ghanaians. I'm not supply for.
But
so that means that within a be a quan, don't say abroad look, it's natural. Say obi befa free US. Now officer French company or Ghana na or be Maya. Automatically or if we never matter.
Sure.
Wow. So look at new mines BSC, Cardinal, Upper East, Azuma, Upper West, Lithium Beba, and a half of a $1 billion mine within the next 2 or so years. They be ready. Yeah, 4 new mines within 2.5 years. So by 2.5 years time, it be a petrol be 500 million. Into my home in the next 6-7 years, petrol will be $1 billion industry.
For the mining sector?
Yes, just petrol. $304 million. We had 2 years ago, 2021 report. Where would the money stay? Until if you don't own the mine, do you also want foreigners to come and set up fuel station and supply fuel to the mine? Medical services. Medical services. So this year there are 2 lessons also. Until foreign companies are more provide medical services in your culture, some contract will pay and no. Until you find a Golden Star was up now foreign company be and they run your medical services. Swiss German company be ISOS. Until last year, share mining companies for the catch up say, hey, from January this year, I'm not say be able to take it for January every year. Until you share CEOs in the catch up say the OPE company and now will be able to provide medical services among mine. This is all the Maganani. Because you see, mean tears here. To me, sorry, keke. I'm a practicing medicine in Ghana. Sure. Everywhere in the world, this Obano be come by me a lawyer. Yeah. Who call Oxford, Harvard, Crowbar, and so on. You know, if I be convention. The other now, the contract by my South African company and now foreign company. No, Baha. Up a fan Ghana ni nest. We call set up BBA or my home. Once a mine is almost inside. Yeah. Until everything is on site. For Newmont, where Newmont say, Achim, half, almost see new one, a half of 30 kilometers. And Americans, so you knew by or your spouse. In the young fans, the main age more Newmont than me a processing manager or plant to her. Me on Corabe be a 3-4, ne, me were here, a covom. So Newmont alone, you're looking about 8,000 people under coverage. Well, into effective this year. Obia the contact number Ghana for. Nti Golden Star was say general way Ghana ni nomde man Newmont so advert because na foreign company there was ano ye so mun free ho nti na contract ni will be March this year nti am up to September say mun year advert na mun prepare because you want to mean permanent pano precope. Wow, nti within these 6 months almost prepare. And it's a lot of money.
So when you a cost
we are 2-3 years assembly account. Medical there this year. Until within a year 2, it be require 6 months. Medical there too so this year. Yeah. Catering new holiday there too so be 2-3 years now. Wow. And again 2-3 years ago, now South African companies they provided security or mines. Obia fi South Africa ba no be setting up company no or providing private security at the mine. Yeah, catch them say no we Ghana for there. So mines in Ninya was security, private security. Okay. All the mines in Ghana. So say Ghana for private security. The private security at the mine, catering services, haulage,
medical
services.
Ninya should be wholly Ghanaian.
You see Ninya Ghanaian and there were a year or 2. Maybe 2-3 years ago, for say lubricants 2-3 years ago, yeah. Medical started this year. But open so started this year, friend tailings storage facility. Once it is a dam. Okay. Opaya bubono now yam bibia now we good no process here waste no. Wow. Omo diabetic dam. It is a dam. Na kogu ho na store. Into a man now decommission. It's a friend of TSF and now tailings storage facility. Until January this year, above on companies from Australia, what do you call it?
South Africa.
Into the two lists this year say no more. Yanya Ghana for bear 2-3 or more nimidie. Into Cardinal 4 days say Ghana need a winning contract. Nipa bear 6-7 or so and a BDA. Omnia Ghana 4. Now Skawum. Share it do up him GSA, it do up him Takwa. Phase 1 and 2 is over $72 million. Inti, maybe say me say my no dear. A house on if you cannot capture that. So a Juma ye pa in the engineer support services. services that support the activities of the mine and our operations. But near Masisaba, even ownership, Sisaya Kase, Ghana bauxite, Sisay a fully owned Ghanaian. Yes, not Chinese for BDA. And the Ghana government was 20% shares. Now 80% in Ghana near top. This is a mine that has been there since 1941. And it is a C, you know. Yeah, I say proud.
Yeah.
Said the entire Ghana bauxite company, Awaso, in the Seshu area, 100% state and Ghanaian owned. Mijidi said we need to see more of this. Then we can be proud. Say, see, mines in the end. Apart from ownership, you know, over Asante Gold, I'm running baby any mine say. Ghana for close about 40% or more. Okay. Wow. Until with time, you might own 5 to 10 years, you see increasingly Ghanaians owning the mine. And yet, Chinchilla said, you can also own the mine by listing on a stock exchange. Fanako 2 gold, small scale. Yes, shall see 1989. History way here, maybe let me put it in context. Then you understand where we are coming from. Maybe a problem, you see, and then where we must go. Inti, what was the issue? That time, Mikaipania was second primary school or so. Now, your mines in India. Many of the mines used to be Ghanaian owned mines. Not Prestia, Dunkwa, Takwanyana, Ghana 4 years. As usual, I mismanage it. As I said, there are the various Gihok, pharmaceutical.
State-owned enterprises.
State-owned enterprises. Ghana was near Guya. Sounds and mines in near Guya. Until we are only near Tower, because it was a time home for the economic recovery program. And a World Bank buy so hey, now good Togo. See, sorry, Anna, a lot of good Togo, almost smoggy because it was discouraged. And the Togolese were making money. Togo, dear, and him said limestone or more phosphate, to be precise, phosphate, or more mineral, no phosphate. In Tempa, near Parsi, small scale gold law, 1989. Near San Parsi, another law, mercury law, crossing using mercury, and a PMC law, say, Uku 2 another ton. In lawful small scale mining, say, a bambema 2 meter, 2 gold on a small scale level. Yes, I see 1989, 34 years ago. Now, mistake now, all governments. For the past 34 years, I say, Nanka, that time now, Yeshati, lawful small scale mining. It was just in about 4 regions, actually 5. Asante, Eastern, Western, and then what do we call it? Eastern region, Central region, Ashanti region, Western region, and Upper East. Until those days, Minerals Commission B office or Boga, a B office or Takwa. You know, Enchi, all those to manage it. And confirm those, maybe 100,000 or so in it. Nanka, Nukreno, every year, beer, Nanka, say, a Tressica, geological survey, say, more Fanko and Sushim, because mostly in your Sushim, you're prospecting. There's nothing like prospecting. Last year, for the prospecting. And you don't have good behind you. Try our luck, thinking of 2 baby, that is the cause of the issue. Well, last year, one said, Omoba had Ghana near now, bro. For my infant lithium, see, I away. On the G license, no 6 years. And my nya butcher, and as I say, pa, can see a young see a world class deposit within a year or 2 years, more license. That is last year for you. Prospecting, exploration, to understand basic tree in Sushem. Make quack check, say, be a waha now I deploy feed now bibisa who dig you pity trenchy what's up but for another crater. That is large scale and they practice everywhere in the world. But small scale because you have the largest artisanals in the area in Africa.
Ghana.
Yes. Maybe perhaps in the developing world. Wow, about 40 tons of gold. A third of Ghana's gold, no less than a third of Ghana's gold comes from small scale mining. And we didn't do anything. And now, because of technology and India and all those things. So you're talking about 12, 13 regions now. And then we have moved from 4 to about 12, 13 regions, from barely 100,000 now to about 3 million people.
In a small scale?
Yes, in a small scale. So when you UT, we water region, and now we Greater Accra. Practically the rest of Ghana, be a small scale is going on, whether lawfully or illegally. They are from Galamsey. And the question is, who be Samia? One of the major drivers of Galamsey. Make me about 1,000 reasons. But me person many ways here, and this particular one, if we don't tackle it, we'll go round.
Say,
which is lack of mineralized areas for the small scale miners to work. And only the number one problem.
And I'm
Galamsey. Openi, one of the major drivers, in fact, me bobe 100 causes of Galamsey and illegal mining. Not particular problem, we remember 9/10. Lack of mineralized areas. You depend small scale mining, so so what is the issue? Omo digi baby ya. Into omo ya na omo hiti rock na omo fe bibi vein na. Hey, na omo be go. And now I'm jumping into Obi concession. It is an answer I'm called was underground. Almost all the large scale mining companies, Galamsey for a home. And now on Nankasa on your baby or the code is no bad. If you feed him near order near Yaman. One is you know, how are we giving land to them? One. You will block out yes, be one block out, you block as I see be almost in all the regions in Ghana.
Okay.
But how do you know so? Baby outrano, a honor good woman now here. Now saying Cromo kita bibi, your friend metal detector, no more in them. Into on your tick, no, I call swear excavator, chinamo jury or anabibisa. Into no, say the Abaya shall see it. Oma J to moment because you see, 20, 30, 40 years ago, Okobisaga government so me pay $5-6 million in CDs. Near $5 class of your workers. Now say it was school. You were quite well, you were. Road and all those things to be done. Now we
is it because now your name?
Oh, your name because Minerals Commission has been around for 37 years. Every year be a can. That time no more forming interministerial. I starting engagement. That was the first thing we told them. So idea hope I see no. This is a discussion geological investigation.
No more detective baby.
Now fortunately, no, your institution, I want him dear bet me. And yes, I have to now corporate technical assistance were brought Ghana Geological Survey Authority. Omo him dear, and it is a no matter committee permanent. Ti bonfa, ye the means one my UMAT for any moka, yan no more. Intino, would dear, and yes, 40-50 million, yeah, $40-50 million a year. Oh yes, you never
survey a Galamsey
in the medium to long term. What is the solution? Because you see, Ufa soldiers for now go 2 or more assassination fine, which is good, because we cannot allow Sebio because seminar kosono.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe so na prani and Kuba and Tisa Milo. But opposite is small on coin. You got to get a place for them.
I'm not for now.
Oh, of course, baby. I mean, with the mamin show, baby. Bongo.
Okay.
Our upper East region. Kasi responsible mining. And I am taking steps into an ammonium formalize you more. And be in Bongo Kra, Daku Tinga, and was Savannah region. Now Canadian company be or from Brim Goldfields. Omi and Shishamusa, Nasmoski for around. It's so yanquire a crew. And see, in Tampa near Blocky Hall. Near Chow, Omukwan the first place to get gold catcher in Ghana, Tinga, and also underground. So see, I prepare baby one friend of cloth, our Bolly district, so you see, say Bongo, say cloth, say Tinga, all these years now Omuye Galamsey, and ne, Yamomo license, Yamomo gold catcher, Omuye no Hutomo, a underground, the officers call, your trainiomo, your monitomo. This is what we are currently doing. In so need no way. At the same time, you need geological survey, need human, yeah, geological investigation. Into your hope is and yeah, the obit me on preoccupy. Anything between 6 months to 1 year or 2-3 years, baby, I check a crowd. Into your hope is every year be a Abama iska, Cassia be even $500,000 CD equivalent. A bit media ABB. Next year, the following year, until my own 3, 4, 5, and you realize that gradually, because you see, the problem is the digging of everywhere. But you can say, explore office ways is here and studio ways is here. You also say good in number. Mamika has a Mitchell.
30 seconds.
Pesos mining. Okay. Now, for a very long time, the small officer now was said, go to the field, map the area. For saying, you're going to guarantee for almost about 10,000. Then, baby, you're going to sana report. You say, last for no more the assassin, only the report no count. And the report which I said, good, no waha. And boys was no waha. And no poor kolika crabby. So, what does that tell you? It speaks volumes of the fact that geological investigation is everything. That is the key solution to illegal mining.
Ora Martin, AC, Chief Executive Officer, Adom Minerals Commission, I'm to say, now if you're in the common, come off for CSR one more, a better not to also a dinner, Badwam Mpensenpensemu, Medindi Aquacinsia, background.